Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice large dresser that we're just going to update by sanding, removing handles, and giving it a nice paint job. So follow along as we transform this piece, and always hit that subscribe button. Alright, first step, let's get these handles off. They even have a cool little design on them, so we've got quite a few to do. Let's begin. Alright, we've got it all stripped down. We've looked it over, made sure everything was nice and tight. This piece is really a nice piece. So, all we're going to do is scuff up this top a little bit. There's a couple spots on it that I want to scuff out. We'll go through, sand everything down just lightly, make sure all the dirt, debris off it, and then we can start wiping this down so we can get it ready for paint. Oh yeah, we're using 100 grit on this. Alright, we got our pieces all cleaned up, ready to paint. We're going to do a flat white on this whole piece, and we'll see how it turns out. So, we're going to start with the back side of the drawers first, let them dry, and then we'll be able to do the front. After all, we do all the other pieces one coat. We'll come back and do this. Alright, we have everything painted, so what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a light scuff, give it a worn in look. I really like that. So, 120 grit, nice easy soft sand around the edges, and then we can go on to waxing this piece. Alright, we have it sanded down and we're ready to wax. We're going to use our mini wax, finish wax. Goes on nice, it's hot out here, so that wax is nice and liquidy, which is perfect for putting it on. So let's begin.
Vintage Statements, just showing off the finished piece. It's a 9-door dresser, flat white, a little bit of scuffs on the edge. It is so hot outside in Arizona, so this project took a couple of days and some shade, which is how you have to do anything outside in Arizona. But I think it turned out really awesome, and we're super excited for it to find its next home. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, follow our videos on YouTube, and let us know what you think.